Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Today I have a dining set for you, and this is not just a dining set. It is one of the masterpieces that we have created in dinings in last few years. We have made better sets than this also, but earlier we didn't take pictures and videos. Now this is a common thing we are doing for our online clients. Now this one is an 8-seater dining set, and this has got 2 master chairs and 6 regular chairs. When I say regular, it doesn't mean a regular dining chair, but the design is very different. The regular means without the handles. When I say master, master means this. A chair with handles is called a master chair. Generally, every dining set has 2 master chairs, one on each side, and this one is double carved. By double carved, I mean when you have carving on the front and as well as the back of the unit. Best part about dinings is dining tables are generally kept in the middle of the room, and the back part is visible for all the chairs from all the sides. Now when you have double carved unit, it looks very beautiful and very nice when you look at the back of the unit. Similarly, in the regular chairs that are not the master chairs, we have only the top part as carved. The back area is with cushion. Now moving on to the chair one more time. Now see the design here. The carvings, the beautiful carvings that you see all here. And the leg part. It has got a very beautiful leg and a very curvaceous. If you see how much curve is there. Getting this curve is not an easy job. To get curves on the legs requires quite skill, and you require master artisans to make such units. Now moving on to the table. This is an 8x4 feet. 8 feet this way and 4 feet this way. When I talk about an 8-seater dining set, it's generally 8x4. Now look at the design of the dining. And we'll start with the bottom, the legs here. A whole round leg. It has got 2 legs, and this is the folding unit. The top can be separated and the legs are separated for easy travel and transport. A very beautiful carving with very fine carving all over the leg part on the all round area. Now making this stuff is not an easy job. No carpenter can make this stuff. This is the work of an artisan and not a regular artisan. You require master artisans to make stuff like this. And over and above the master artisans, you require people like us, a company like Arson, who can get this type of quality for you. This quality is not easy to get. A lot of time is spent with the artisans on the drawings. All this design that you see, all the drawings that you see here are done by hand. Once the drawing is done by hand, all the woods are cut according to that design, and then the drawings are pasted and it's hand carved with small chisels. They hand carve all the stuff, and finally this outcome comes in front of you. Before the outcome, we need to get the paint, the polish thing right. This one is an antique gold paint. I've shown you this color several times, and this is the most liked color by most of our clients, because if you go for the royal look, this is the best color. Going by the looks of this unit, it has to be, this design have to be a royal set, and colors like gold, silver, copper, or you can go for white, off-white with gold highlighting. All these colors would look very beautiful on this. But if you want to go for regular teak finish or walnut finish, that can be done also as per the requirement. A very nice, very heavy, and a very beautiful design. And I would say one of the best designs in dining sets you can get anywhere is from us, from Arson. This can be customized to lesser chairs. You can go for a 6-chair design if you want. You can go for a 10-chair design if you want, 12-chair. That can also be made as per your requirement. Right now, this is the design you see here. Very beautiful, very nicely carved, work of master artisans, quality of Arson, and years and years of experience and skill is required to create something like this. I hope you like the stuff, the labor, the hard work we have done to get something like this. I would appreciate if you can drop a few comments, and please subscribe our channel if you want to see more stuff like this. Thank you.